But what if you woke up tomorrow and your job was gone? Not taken by a person, but replaced by an AI. You check your email, subject line, important notice. You open it, and your heart stops. Your role has been automated. Before you can react, you see it happening, an AI system performing your entire day's work, faster, smoother, and without a single break. Designers, writers, analysts, editors, customer support, even programmers. AI isn't coming someday. AI is replacing people today. Is your job safe? Ask yourself one question. Can AI learn it? Because if it can, it will. In the last year alone, thousands of companies silently shifted to AI, not because they wanted to, but because AI doesn't sleep, doesn't complain, and doesn't ask for a salary. Picture this. You walk into your office tomorrow, your access card turns red. Inside, your desk is gone, and your tasks now handled by a system that learned everything from you. But what if the real danger is not AI replacing you, but you refusing to evolve? Because the truth is simple. AI won't replace people. People using AI will replace the people who don't. So ask yourself, are you adapting? Are you learning? Are you leveling up before the world leaves you behind? Tomorrow, AI might take your job, or it might make you unstoppable. The future doesn't wait. Neither should you.